Welcome to Benefits of Channel. Today we will cover the benefits of meditation. Our lives are busier and more demanding than ever before. We juggle work, family, and social commitments, often feeling overwhelmed and stressed. In this whirlwind of activity, finding even a few minutes of peace can feel impossible. But what if I told you that a simple, accessible practice could transform your well-being? That practice is meditation. Meditation is no longer a mystical practice confined to monasteries and ashrams. It's a scientifically backed technique for improving mental, emotional, and physical health. With just a few minutes a day, you can experience profound benefits, from reduced stress and anxiety to improved sleep and enhanced focus. Think of meditation as a mental workout for your brain. Just like physical exercise strengthens your body, meditation strengthens your mind, making you more resilient to life's challenges. And the best part? It requires no special equipment, expensive memberships, or complicated techniques. So, if you're ready to unlock a world of benefits and experience the transformative power of meditation, keep reading. This 5-minute guide will equip you with everything you need to embark on your meditation journey. Stress is a constant companion in our fast-paced world. It affects us mentally, emotionally, and physically. Chronic stress can lead to a host of health problems, including anxiety, depression, heart disease, and weakened immunity. Meditation acts as a powerful antidote to stress. Studies show that meditation effectively reduces cortisol, the stress hormone. When you meditate, you intentionally shift your focus away from stressful thoughts and worries. This allows your mind and body to relax, lowering your heart rate and blood pressure. Imagine your mind as a lake constantly disturbed by the winds of thoughts and emotions. Meditation is like the stillness that descends when the wind subsides. The surface of the lake becomes calm and clear, reflecting the sky perfectly. By calming the storms of your mind, meditation helps you cope with stress more effectively, leaving you feeling calmer, more centered, and better equipped to handle life's challenges. In our always-on society, sleep is often sacrificed. We burn the midnight oil, stare at screens late into the night, and wake up feeling exhausted. Poor sleep has far-reaching consequences, impacting our mood, energy levels, cognitive function, and overall health. Meditation can be your key to unlocking a world of restful sleep. Meditation promotes relaxation and reduces racing thoughts, preparing your mind and body for a peaceful night's sleep. Studies have shown that individuals who meditate regularly experience improved sleep quality, including falling asleep faster, sleeping more soundly, and waking up feeling more refreshed. Think of your mind as a computer running multiple programs simultaneously. Before you can shut down for the night, you need to close those programs. Meditation is like hitting the close all button on your mind, allowing it to wind down and prepare for rest. By incorporating meditation into your evening routine, you can create a sanctuary of calm, paving the way for restful sleep and revitalized mornings. In our digitally saturated world, distractions are omnipresent. Notifications constantly beckon, emails pile up, and our attention spans dwindle. This constant barrage of information can leave us feeling scattered and mentally drained. Meditation offers a powerful solution-enhanced focus and concentration. Research suggests that meditation improves attention span, working memory, and cognitive flexibility. By training your mind to focus on a single point, whether it's your breath, a mantra, or an image, you strengthen your ability to concentrate and resist distractions. Imagine your mind as a muscle that needs regular exercise to stay strong. Meditation is like strength training for your attention. With each session, you build your mental focus, allowing you to concentrate better, think more clearly, and be more present in each moment. By incorporating meditation into your daily routine, you can sharpen your mental acuity, enhance your productivity, and navigate the complexities of our modern world with greater ease. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the information and found it helpful. Remember, the content here is for educational purposes and not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making any major health decisions. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Don't forget to check the links below for additional resources. Thanks for watching and supporting the channel. See you in the next video.